What's up, YouTube? Hey, look, go and like this video because this is going to be if you're trying to dollar cost average and get into stocks. That's the best way to do it. I'm literally looking at my Carvana stock as we speak. It says I bought at $30 a share. Right now, the current share price right now is $189 a share, and I bought it at $30. It's saying I'm up 525% just off owning Carvana stock. And you can do this without doing trade options, no, any of that. All you got to do is put your money in the market. Dollar cost averaging is easy. If you can't put in money once a month, you can't do it once a week, but you can do maybe $5 a day, $10 a day. That's how I got started. That was my journey. $5 a day. I knew at the end of the year, I would have at least $1,350. You see what I'm saying? And that's going to show you discipline. Like they say, this is the realest shit. You need to hold these stocks for 5 to 10 years. That's when you're going to see the results. If you're holding for 5 to 6 months, you're not going to see that much of results. Like I've had stocks I should have held even longer. I'm in my this will be my 6th year. I'm in 4th year as far as not having a job and being able to survive off these portfolios. But I've been doing it for basically 6 years now. But not at the beginning, so you'll know, at the beginning of the stage, I used to put my money in a stock account. If something happens and I want to buy something, let me pull that little money out. I experienced the stock market. I was buying stupid stuff like GoPro. My opinion, you can do what you want. But like I said, I seen a crisis when COVID hit and was like, dang, Carvana stock was $300 a share and they got to $7. I literally seen it at $7 a share. And I'm like, hold on. I knew later on it would go back up to $300, but I didn't know that was my, I guess, get rich and get out the way move. But you got to keep going through this. I see now it's going to be the same rotation. I'm looking at my other stock. So I started selling Carvana at $70, $80. Like I said, at the beginning stages, could I predict this? Yes and no, because I was buying it daily. So it's like, yo, I see what it's doing. I see, all right, it's down 5% today. It's down 10%. But tomorrow it's going to be up 15%. And your dollar cost, I like dollar cost averaging, me personally, when I know the market is down today, or the stock technically is down today. It makes it better for me. I knew I bought on the low. And I own probably, I don't even want to include the crypto, at least 25 stocks. I can go through some of the names right now so y'all will get people that come back and look at this video. Nvidia, Carvana, Tesla, Alphabet, Amazon, Energy Transfer. I love dividends. I know I didn't name dividends off the rip, but that's when I like those capital gains for daily growth. If you're trying to make at least $300 a day, those are some good stocks. Nvidia, those are some good stocks to own. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but this is just what I'm doing. This is my journey. But look, I'm going to show you where it changed that before I even go down. I made that move off Carvana, right? I sold at $60, $70, $80. Cool. I'm keeping the rest right now. But hold on. I sold some of my Carvana profits. Like they said, you didn't win yet until you take profits. I took the profits from Carvana and bought Nvidia. I bought Nvidia at $400. That tells you the time span. That's probably a year ago. If that, probably a year ago now. What you think happened when I bought Nvidia at $400? Shoo! Then it had a split. So now I got free shares. I'm like, oh, this is what they mean. You have to have time in the market. If you don't got time in the market or time to wait, that shows you're not disciplined. You're not ready to win in the market. I promise you, this is the best way to profit with time. If you think you're going to get this in, like I said, I could have took that Carvana money and ran away. No. Oh, the game is to keep flipping the money and flipping the money and flipping and playing the same. That's why I always compare this shit to a video game. If you can master playing a video game, there's no way you can't master the stock market. There's just no way. Especially y'all playing GTA and some of these build a character games. This is how you build character, especially in the stock market. If you really want to make millions and billions, this is the way. Or at least 100 grand. This shit is easy. But look, I bought Nvidia, but some reason I used to work at Walmart. So me working a 9 to 5 actually helped. I said, yo, because I split it up. I actually bought IBM too. I'm mad because IBM is like $230 right now. I bought at 100 and something, 160, 170 with the Nvidia profit. But that's cool. Because I sold IBM and bought more NVIDIA because they said no need to have 3 or 4 shares. Why not get 100 shares? So I'm like, why not buy more NVIDIA? So that'll speed you up so you know where I was going. So I said, man, what I'm going to do with some more of this Carvana stock? Walmart had a split. Went back to $60, whatever, you know. I bought some. I'm like, yo, I used to work at Walmart. Anybody knows if you work at Walmart, they got the stock on the board every day you come to work. You can see what the stock is doing. I'm like, Walmart's a great company. I used to work for them. They're not going nowhere. Let me own Walmart stock. You see where I'm going? I took the Carvana profit and bought NVIDIA at $400, and I bought Walmart on a split. Now, what you think? Right now, today at Walmart is at, so we can go off real current, $80 a share. It says my average, because we're talking about dollar cost averaging, is $62. That's my average of my shares. Now it's $80 a share. But I like it for the dividends. The profit's cool. I'm knowing I'm going to hold this for the next 10 years. It's going to keep splitting. That's how you build wealth. That's how, especially off my dividends. AGNC, I got back into that. I'll speak on that later. That's a real estate investment trust. That's a REIT. I'll speak on that later. I just got into Reddit yesterday, literally. I'm going to be quiet. And I got back into Realty Income. I used to have more of that. I sold Realty Income to get into Broadcom. And my other, I can go to my other portfolio. But I'm using dollar cost averaging to actually grow my portfolios and get into the next stocks that I've been wanting to get into. Like I could buy shares of Eli Lilly now. I used to think at the beginning, yo, let me get what I can afford. No, because at the end of the year, if you have been doing that $5, $10 a day challenge, how many shares of Walmart would you have at $80? What's a stock that's Taiwan Semiconductor? I own these now. Taiwan Semiconductors. I can go look at the price. I don't have to wing it, but it's like $100 and some dollars. Most people look at that, man, I'm not going to keep. Oh, they don't know. That's how you build wealth. You see the numbers going up. You see the numbers going down. Me personally, I like to buy average down, especially in crypto. Crypto will go so high real fast and go down so fast. If it's down 30%, you want to buy. It's only going to suck if you don't like that stock or that crypto. And once you get those feelings, I've learned, man, not an attachment, but if you don't got a reason to hold it, or you got to remember why you bought it. Sometimes I'd be like, why did I buy that? Okay, that's for future references. Like my Carvana, I bought that for the future at my beginning stages. If I would have known 4 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago when I bought the stock, oh, damn, I should have put $2,000-$3,000 in it at that one time. So that's how you make your money. Dollar cost averaging is the easiest. If you can use that method, you're going to make money because you're going to buy it on the lows anyway. Even if you did it monthly, putting in $500 a month, even $100 a month is cool with me. It doesn't matter. Whatever's going to get you to the next level. Watch you start seeing your portfolio, how the balance going to go now. But look, y'all going to like this video. I'm going to get with y'all on the next one.